second and final day here at the Ferrari track days at Fuji, guys. But check this out, the specs are even better today. More cars, more Ferraris. We got a Posi Blue Challenge Stradale. Now that is a nice color, but more importantly though, check out this California. Oh yeah, dude, the Japanese love a good spec here, even on their Californias, guys. They put the racing gloves on the dash. Yeah, just like yesterday's video, guys, the Lambo is garnering all the attention. The Ferraris, not so much. Will you look at that? I'm telling you guys, the general public loves a good Lambo. Wait for it, wait for it. Koenig specials, yeah. Dude, these things are beast. The Japanese love a good spec. We got an F40 here, but check out this California T and the beige California from yesterday. Dude, they will spec anything and everything. Dude, there's a wrapped 355 over there in orange as well. The Ninja made it into the parking lot. Awesome. Oh wait, there's another one over there. What the hell? Oh no, we gotta take a look at this. Hold on. The world's mightiest Morohoshi family. Whoa. And the wheels, of course, standard Forgiatos on this Ferrari. They're doing like another family parade lap around Fuji Speedway. So we're gonna get a couple of the cars just rolling out. We got the LaFerrari in all black. As my friend would say, criminal spec. White LaFerrari Aperta. Ooh, he's covered up his plates. The blue accents and the gold wheels. Here we go, another one. Taking a quick look at some of the FXXK Evos up close and personal here in the pit garage. They're currently racing the 4AA Challenge Series, so guys rocking it in pink. Mr. 199 over there, yes. Now, the astute viewer will be wondering, where are the regular FXXs that are based off the Enzo? It's right there under wraps. It crashed yesterday, and it's the only one here, guys. Whoops. If you're wondering what that very annoying noise is, it's to notify that there are cars on the track or going onto the track or into the pit lane. So, yup. Alright, I think the noise has finally ceased. And all the cars doing their little parade on the Fuji Speedway. So, no, it started again. Fuck's sake. Dual pull. Still doing their group photo, but you guys gotta check out the interior of this A12. What the heck, guys? Dude, I'm telling you, you don't see this kind of stuff in America, man. Americans cannot spec for shit. What needs to happen right now is everyone just put it in launch control and go at the same time. How sick would that be? But they're probably just gonna drive off at like, what, 35 miles an hour? I don't know. Come on. That's the guy right there. The one and only 599 GTO. Hauling ass. But unfortunately, I thought they're gonna go for a full set, but I think they're just turning in. So, yup, sorry guys. I've been reading the comments on my Instagram stories, YouTube comments, and a lot of people do want to see the food that we eat here in Japan. So we're currently here at Denny's. Now it's not it's not your normal American Denny's. This is the Japanese Denny's. It's classier, the food is cleaner. I'm gonna flip through the menu. It's all in Japanese. We have the English menu right here, but you know, these pictures will suffice. Here we got the mega parfaits and the mini parfaits. But I think we're gonna, there are these, special Quincy parfaits. Look, they even tell you what each layer of the parfait is consistent of. That's pretty amazing. But I think I'm gonna go with the chicken with the rice and miso soup, keeping it classy. That's right, guys, we keep it classy here. What do we got? What do we got? What do we have in here? Oh my goodness. Oh. That is rather impressive. Guys, we're waiting for the F1 cars to roll through here. We're currently in the, what is this called? The Alphard. This is a very, very serious van, guys. Check this out. We got the TV remote. Bam. Press the button. TV comes down. Whammy. Fucking amazing. And check this out. This also has a table. You want to work on your stuff here. They've started. Let's hop on out.
Now we go on to the grid.
There we go.
Winners, please get close to the podium center.
There it is. The Alphard hybrid all-wheel drive probably should be filming the
Thank you,
F1 cars, but
Loretta.
still got the remote here, guys. Unbelievable. And
Alright,
check
now
this
let's
out.
start the champagne fight.
Wait, the champagne fight? What? Okay. Go on, get him. Yeah. These two mad dogs. The fight. Go on, get him. To film the J50 yesterday, but here's one of them. The silver one is upstairs in the owner's lounge. One of 10. There's 5 red ones. Looking pretty good. This is what the 488 should have looked like, honestly. It's got what, 20 more horsepower? Fun fact though, the Deborah, the SP38, no additional horsepower. Got a couple old school cars, 250 GT Berlinetta, 275 GT, and yes, I'm reading them right off the fucking placards here. Check this out, guys. You can actually see all the seatbelt color options, the floor mats, the carbon fiber options, the range of leathers, the Alcantaras, the stitching. We made it to the rooftop here. We got a brand new Pista right here, right next to the 488 Spider, and I really hate to be that one guy to say it, but honestly, it looks the damn same, minus a few little things, but yep. The sports drive where people bring their own Ferraris on track, and I think that's a red flag. I think that is definitely a red flag. So the sports family drive, you take your personal Ferrari on the Fuji Speedway, and someone had a little boo-boo. There's an Enzo being loaded up there, but hold on. Did the airbag go off? I can't even... Holy crap, what the heck happened? We just saw a 488 smashed up while he was doing the sports drive, but check that wrap out on the 488 challenge car. But we got the F50 and the orange loft right over here that are about to get loaded up with the other couple cars. Yeah, damn shame of the California and the 488. My goodness. Last event, final day, last run on the track, and guess what? Bam. Whoops. Fuji Speedway Ferrari track days is over. We got the Mazda CX-8 right next to the executive edition of the hybrid Alford with the baller seats and the TV screen. Currently waiting for the J50 to roll out. There's one on the second floor, a silver one that I didn't even see or film because I'm just lazy. And there's the red one that I briefly filmed over there. We got all the transport trucks just chilling here and waiting. These are the gull-wing doors that open up from the side, so they're pretty cool. Guys, it's a double-decker. They're loading up some of the challenge cars, and what do we got? Oh, ho, ho. Surprise, surprise. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people to roll one car up. That is a revelation, guys. That's what Bugatti does. They do the white glove service. Yeah. That's oh, he is sweating up there. He's nervous. He's nervous in the service. Man, he got 6 guys. That is pretty damn awesome. In America, they have like one dude, no gloves, no nothing, just half-assing it. Bad.
Yeah, he cracked it.
Oh, jeez. Oh, for fuck's sake. Neither J50 has moved, but we got the Pista right over here, exiting the car elevator from the second floor up there. There you guys have it. The Pista just rocking it at the Fuji Speedway. And the J50s have not moved. It is getting pretty damn dark, guys. I don't know how much our patience can last. Speak of the devil, right as I said that, the J50 is actually hopping onto the car elevator. Timing is impeccable. The black Enzo is actually being moved right over there.
Another J50.
Hey, hey, hey. All right, guys, showtime.
Hey!
Hey.
Hey! Hey!
excellent, guys.
Hey! 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 J50!
Ooh, that's a tight fit right there. My goodness. I like it. I actually like the rear a lot more. That's what the 4A should have looked like. Athena Beauty, guys. 1 of 10, baby. And there's 2 of them here. Ooh. Yes. Where are you going, boy? Where are you going? Are they going to be parking the red one right next to it? I don't know. Whoa. Another loft? Oh, the lights are on. There you go, guys. That's awesome. They take their shoes off when they drive the car. Something you don't see in America. And they do white glove service, which is pretty damn amazing. Well, guys, we're on the rooftop deck here overlooking the cars below at the parking lot. Let's take a peek here. Bam. Orange loft, F50, the whole shebang. We got the J50 just chilling over there. Bird's eye view from the rooftop level right above the garages here. Honestly, the J50 from this angle, pretty damn good, guys. Lady Luck is on our side, guys. I think the red J50 is moving, or oh, there it goes. Hold on. We're gonna hustle, baby. We're gonna hustle. That's right. The Tokyo Leap. Here we go. Yes. Excellent. And there it goes. Chris just. Whoa, 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 whoa. Fuck this. I'll run too. I'll lightly jog. I'll lightly jog. That's right. Oh, look, a pista. There it is, guys. The entire Ferrari track day is pretty much packed up. We're gonna hop in the executive edition Alfred here. Boom, look at those automatic doors. Oh, which button do I press here?
It's this one.
Oh. All right, Chris, change the mood color. Bam, just like that. See, it's so sick. And we're
some purple.
Ooh, purple is pretty nice.
Pink.
I like a pink. I like a good pink. We're on the 3rd row seat. It's actually very spacious here. So we're currently watching TV. What is going on?
Is this an Apple Pay commercial?
I don't know, but I heard Apple Pay. Yep. Apple.